When you're taking these measurements, you need to make sure that the tape measure is pulled nice and tight, and I like to use my knees as my brace as I hold my tape measure over the string line. Make sure that your measurement is in the center of the string line, and then everything is absolutely spot on. The smaller that you make any measurement out, so the 0.5 mil is what I prefer, then that's where it stays, in small increments. When you start allowing 2 or 3 mil out, 2 or 3 mil out here will end up being 20 to 30 mil up the other end of the string line. So aim small, miss small. So as we work our way around the sides of the building, we've done our boundary line and we've done our rear building line. Now we're doing our side building line. This is next to the boundary. It's not actually on the building line. It's 1100 millimeters away. So next move that we're going to do is do the very front building line. So then we've created our box section, and then all of our measurements should be right. The next part from that is we can do our corner to corner. So we measure our diagonals and then make sure those measurements are exactly the same. Part of doing the set out, part of our string lines and our set outs, we make sure that we've got our weight points. So here we've got a big pad because we've got steel coming down into the center of this, and then from there we've got steel beams running across the top. It's imperative that we get these points here super accurate so that when we have the center of our pole hit the center of our pad, and then that weight is distributed properly throughout that whole area. If we have it just on a corner, then it can be counterbalanced and tip over or crack and split or whatever else. Nobody wants a big crack in their finished polished concrete.